Check this out.
What up, everybody? Unlicensed assassin. Dan back with another one. Yeah, I might have said it too fast. I'll get that corrected, because I like to throw in my yays. So, I know you see it. If you don't know, you finna learn today. So this is the WSDCAM. I don't fucking know how to. Wascambada, whatever. But USB-C chargeable. Turn signal / alarm. There you go, right there. Bike electric. Turn signals and brake light. Please charge and activate before use. Blah 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 blah. So I have the transmitter on the handlebars, and I just wanted to do a little install before I got it all hooked up. If you're squeamish, look away. Not just kidding. But here's the remote. Horn, left, right, and it has an alarm as well. Okay, pretty frickin' sick. And then the lights for sure. So there's your brake light. We have two different brake lights, a pulsing one, and a steady one. And then you got, there's the pulsing one. Steady Eddie, hazards, and off. So let's get this installed. Water carrier, drink carrier. We're coming along for the stuff that I want, because like I said, I'm just cruising. I'm not jumping the dang thing. So I know I can just, with my accessories, I don't need to be so it comes with a little mounting bracket. Not finna do that. I think we're just gonna go with the Velcro, boys. And I think we're gonna put it right there. Because if I don't like it, guess what? I can put it somewhere else. Take it out and put it somewhere else. But I think that's the spot right there. And yeah, underneath there. I think a lot of people have them down here. But I got my mud guard right there. I don't want to get mud all over it. And then right there kind of looks funky. So right there looks like it. But if people can't see it, what's the point, right? So we'll see. But let's not waste any more time, right? Let's see what we can do. And then there's your power button right there as well. So we'll go right across that. Yep. You get one time. No, you don't get one time. I got more Velcro. Got some more Velcro. I think that'll do. Fuck it. It don't have to be perfect. Perfect. It don't have to be perfect. Should I put more? Another little piece right there and another little piece right there. I think so. Where did I put that other little piece? Right there. Let's see what happens doing that. Just putting that other little piece on. See how that works out for me. I'll probably put another little piece right there. Alright, wish me luck. Oh, you motherfucker. I mean, that's on there, but she's crooked. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's covered up. Can't see it. So we're gonna have to put it somewhere else. Or shave it off. Right? Fuck. Ugh. Lame. Lame sauce. Lame sauce. This is my second option. I don't know if it's gonna stick. So we might have to put the mounting bracket on here. Yeah. It's stuck good right here, but you just couldn't see it. And I don't feel like modifying the damn thing by cutting it. I really don't. I really don't. Alright. So, like they said, we're gonna have to do some modifications. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright. Oh, that's nice. Those two holes line right up. I'm gonna have to make some more though. Gonna have to drill. drill 2 holes. Yeah, I'll just drill 2 holes and then zip tie it. Bow. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Couldn't get lucky. And just bow, because you can't see it. It was covering it. Lame sauce. Because that Velcro is plenty strong. Plenty strong. Alright. Modification. I think if I just drill 2 holes, bam, put some zip ties on it, be done. Alright. Didn't want to. Didn't want to. I don't think I can get my white pencil through to make some marks. Alright. Wish me luck. I can't get the other part of the bracket back there, or else I would use the screws. Since I can't get it back there because I got it zip tied so tight, which is fine. All right. Me don't know. Let's see what we got. A little bit of grease. See what we got. I don't want to waste the Velcro. Shit expensive. Uh-oh. I'm dropping zip ties, though. Those are not expensive, but still. They shouldn't be. I mean, shit is getting ridiculous in the world for everything. So, I mean, this is as best as I can come up with on a whim. Don't judge me. I think it looks fine. Could have been a little straighter. It's better than under the seat. Not looks wise, but function wise. Yeah. So I could have done it a little lower, which would have angled it more straight. But I think it's fine, hopefully. Look right there. So, but she's gonna get dirty right there. That's for sure. So, I mean, It is what it is. I wish. Yeah. I should have done it a little lower. But I'm gonna call it a success. Yeah. Success. I guess we can finish it up, do the controller, and be done with it. Get this lanyard out for later. I'll put that on probably off camera. Okay, let's clean up. See, I'm a neat freak. So, damn it. Now I just ruined it. Said I didn't want to ruin it. And then just ruined it. Didn't want to ruin the Velcro and then ruined it. Silly. Silly Gunta. You are a silly Gunta. So we're gonna go for a little ride, but I wanted to get that on. It is what it is. I should have looked at it before because I wish I would have done it just 2 millimeters lower. You know what I mean? But maybe it'll help people see it more. Maybe. I don't know. Bullshit. Bullshit, 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 Mac. You're a dum-dum sometimes. But you got it all, kid. You got it all. Yeah. Got a lot to be grateful for. Jeez. Again, I wish I would have done it a millimeter or two lower. It would have helped with the angle. What else is in here? Is there any nuts in here or just bolts? Yeah, just bolts. So those other two. And then it came with a lanyard for the controller. So this comes off. It's a bitch to get on and off because of where I have it positioned. Yeah. So do what the fuck you wanna do. What does this all mean? I didn't see any nuts in there, so weird. Okay, not weird. It's okay. Sometimes shit doesn't go how you want it to. Hopefully the mic is good. Last time I had some issues, so I thought I fixed it. Hopefully I did for good. I think the mic was just hanging out of the connection. A little ski-wumpy. That did not go as planned, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and be real 1 bazillion with you. But I got it on there. Okay. I got it on there. So, when I take this off, I can clip it on. Set the alarm. You're getting a little too close, bud. That's what the alarm said. That's what the alarm said, that I'm getting a little too close. Oh shit. Warning. Okay. So you didn't even get to roll. Didn't even get to roll, my friend. So let's put this back on here. Turn signals down. This is what happened last time. I had a hard time putting it on because the clearance right here. So nice. Nice. And then I can rotate it. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. So there's your installation for your e-bike, or not e-bike, but your bike. I don't even know what function I have it on right now. The steady one. But yeah, we're coming along. I think the only thing left in the box was some extra rubber straps for this, but I modified it and put it on my, because there's no pole for it. So, and then the charging cable. Let's get that freebie, put it with the rest. Jesus, got a mountain of goddamn cables. They're just falling all over the place. Always recycle. But this was a fun one. This is probably the best mod for sure so far. I mean, okay, the shock is doing its thing. It's protecting the shock. The shock is brand spanking new. Looks brand spanking new because I put it on like second day. I think I rode it once or twice without this mod on there. I could have done a better job. I will admit it's angled a bit high or up. I could have went down right here and angled it I wonder if then it'll be angled down. Ugh. I'm just such a perfectionist though, right? That's count, because if I want to put it right here, it'll be facing straight. But I think people can see it. That is the main thing, is to be seen. And I think it does a good job of that. Yeah. Yeah. There's someone behind me. They can see. So, mission accomplished. Not the greatest in my eyes, but could have been better. I think I could have put the bracket down a little further. So you can control it from here or from here, and then obviously the recharge is on the bottom, which is gonna get dirty, so I need to keep that cover on. Make sure it's on at all times. Yeah, light's gonna get dirty just because of where it's positioned. I would have liked to put it up here. The Velcro was sticking fine. Wouldn't have went anywhere. Shoot, even right there would have been nice. It didn't take me but 2 minutes. Y'all were with me for the experience. Just drilled the bracket through. Again, you can line yours up how you want. I should have put it right here, which would have put the bracket down and had it looking, you know. So, but it is what it is. I think it came out fine. I need to stop being so critical of myself sometimes. But yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know my motto, I can't make you do nothing, but I appreciate you when you do. Unlicensed assassin. Deuces.